In the hierarchy of government services in India, civil services are at the top. It remains the most sought after career aspiration for millions. The bureaucrats are called civil servants with an expectation that they will serve the people and the nation. But what happens when this spirit of service is replaced by selfishness and entitlement? When that happens, a Pooja Khedkar emerges. Dr. Pooja Khedkar, a 2023 batch IAS officer of the Maharashtra cadre, is in the eye of a storm after she was exposed for the liberties she was taking and the perks she was demanding while still being a newly minted trainee.
मी ह्याच्याबद्दल काहीच बोलू शकत नाहीये. मला ऑथरायझेशन नाही ह्याच्याबद्दल काही बोलण्यासाठी.
नाही पण आपल्या घरी
विचारू नका.
आपल्या घरी पोलीस गेले आहेत आपल्याकडून.
नो आयडिया. मला प्लीज विचारू नका ते. मी आता इथे आहे. लेट मी डू माय वर्क.
And now when the chickens have come home to roost, the family is feeling the heat. Pooja's mother, who is a sarpanch herself, pushed away media as they sought answers. Nose is tightening on Khedkar now. Co-ops reached their residence. An inquiry is being conducted into the use of the beacon on the Audi car used by Pooja. And action will be taken under the Motor Vehicle Rules Act. There is a fine of rupees 26,500 for non-observance of traffic rules on the car used by Khedkar.
वो गाड़ी के ऊपर 21 चालान पेंडिंग है और 26,500 रुपए का दंड बाकी है। जो ये ऑडी गाड़ी है व्हाइट कलर की, उसके ऊपर नंबर दिया लगा हुआ है और जो महाराष्ट्र शासन लिखा हुआ है उसका कुछ परमिशन नहीं लिया गया। ऐसे ऐसे हमें जानकारी मिली है, उसी के प्रतिकार के लिए हम यहाँ पे आए हैं। गाड़ी हमको अभी मिली नहीं है। गाड़ी मिलने के बाद उसके ऊपर हम जो कायदेशीर कार्रवाई है वो सब करने वाले हैं।
महाराष्ट्र शासन का प्राइवेट कार पे बोर्ड नहीं लगाया जा सकता है और बीकन जो उन्होंने रेड लगाया था, लाल बत्ती जो उन्होंने लगाई थी, उसके लिए आप कार्रवाई कर रहे हैं सर।
The central government has constituted a committee to verify the claims made by Pooja. A single-member committee chaired by a senior officer of the rank of Additional Secretary to Government of India will submit its report in 2 weeks. Our colleague Srishti joins us on the phone line on the broadcast. Srishti, this is really shocking. The liberty she was taking, the perks she was demanding while being a trainee. Just give us a sense of how this entire case came into light.
Well, of course, this entire case came into light when certain officers from Pune complained to the collector of Pune regarding the behavior of Pooja Khedkar. She was demanding for cabin, she was demanding for car, she was demanding for all the perks which are not given to a trainee IS officer. However, she also hijacked an office of additional officer over there, and then he wrote a letter to the Pune collector, and that's why the entire matter came into light. Now, in this case, what fresh updates we are getting to know is that the central government has formed a one-member committee. It will be headed by a senior additional level person, and that officer will be submitting its reports in next 2 weeks. They will probe the entire case, wherein yesterday also I have mentioned that there are certain irregularities in her process of being a UPSC candidate as well. That medical examination that needs to be completed, she didn't complete that. 5 times she was called, she tried to postpone it. 6 times she appeared. Somehow that medical examination was not completed properly. She was asked to do a MRI. She said that I am suffering from claustrophobia. I won't be able to do. Earlier, she applied for reservations for multiple disability, and wherein she mentioned that she has some mental illness and visionary issues. And for that, she didn't go ahead for the medical examination. However, there is a serious question raised on her OBC non-creamy layer candidature as well. As a person who comes from an affluent family, we can understand that a person who can afford an Audi car, who can put a red beacon on a private Audi car, who can put Maharashtra government board on a private Audi car, how can that person come under the non-creamy layer OBC category? And those are the big questions. Now, this committee, which is chaired by additional secretary rank level person, a single member committee is formed. this person will be giving out his report in next 2 weeks.
Right,
and we
we'll
have to
be
see
investigating the entire matter now, and we'll be seeing what that report would be, Srushti. And we also saw some objectionable behavior from the mother also when the media reached their house. She was seen pushing them away. Srushti, just stay with us. As per her influential father's own election affidavit, her family's income and wealth leave her ineligible. She also refused 6 times to undertake a medical examination when asked by the UPSC, and then submitted privately obtained reports. And it was an explicit tribunal order somehow didn't stop her becoming an IS officer. And once she was in, it appears she went out of her way to mark her territory. She apparently installed a lal batti and VIP number plate on her private luxury car, gazumped the office space of another official, got her own nameplate installed, and pressurized her seniors for even more privileges. As the alleged fraud unravels, many are questioning whether influence of her father, Dileep Khedkar, an ex-bureaucrat and VBA Lok Sabha candidate in recent election, had something to do with her shenanigans.